Jack and King's Chinese hamburger bun is crafted with meticulous ingredients, embodying the classic traditional Shaanxi-style food. Carefully chosen premium wheat flour from Northern Henan boasts a long growth cycle and a rich wheat fragrance. Following ancient techniques, the starter dough is prepared by hours in advance, using either ice water or room temperature water. The dough is skillfully maintained in an unfermented state before leavening, enhancing the dough with a delightful fermented aroma. True to its origins, the ingredients are simple and pure, preserving the authentic flavor of the raw materials. Convenient ways to enjoy: steamed in a steamer. Place the buns without thawing, remove the outer packaging, and steam over medium heat for approximately 6 to 8 minutes. Electric griddle heating without thawing. Remove the outer packaging. Place the buns on an electric griddle and heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Using high-quality ingredients and simple cooking methods, the bun is soft and flavorful with a rich wheat aroma, ensuring each bite is a pure and delightful experience. Jack and King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.